Have you been looking for an easy and flirty dress to sew that comes along pretty quickly? Well, if so, let me tell you about my latest dress. I'm Madi with Madi Sews, and welcome back. I made a new dress, and let me tell you, when things align, they really do kind of like come together really well. This past Friday, I was actually thinking that I really wanted to make myself a fun and flirty dress for Easter, but I wasn't sure what. And I knew that there was a McCall's like $1.99 pattern at Joann's going on, so I was looking at their patterns, but nothing was quite catching my eye. And then that's when I got a package in the mail. I had placed an order with House of Mami Wada for some Ankara fabric and for some stretchy stuff that I'm planning on making yet another swimsuit with. I got these Ankara fabrics, and let me tell you, I just about drooled when I saw them. I mean, ooh, they are just amazing. So immediately, I knew what I was going to make. I knew that I was going to use both of these fabrics, and I knew that I wanted to make the Allison tent dress. That dress has actually been on my list for a while. I saw a friend make it up. She was one of the testers for the pattern, and it just looked like gold on her. And then I saw a really cute yellow cotton version of it floating around, and I just love the volume that the thicker cotton had given that dress. So I knew that this Ankara fabric was going to be used for that Allison tent dress. Jasmine with So Much Jazz actually is the designer, developer, the guru behind this dress. And let me tell you, it's a really good one. It has a pretty nice size range to it, and it's actually pretty voluminous. When I was looking at the size chart, I noticed that there was quite a bit of ease. And for my measurements, I actually fell into the extra large size, but I decided to size down, and I'm happy that I did because I tend to have narrow shoulders. And right now these shoulders are, well, they're a little low on me still, but I feel like had I gone with the extra large, I may have been it would have been way too oversized for me. And did I mention that when I was considering the different patterns and stuff, I really wanted a pattern that was going to align with the Joy Viv Sundress challenge that's going on, which is, I heard Viv explain it as a dress that you would wear to go for a walk in the park with. And well, I would wear this to go for a walk in the park. I'd wear it to picnic in. I'd wear it to go drinking in. I'd wear it to go dancing in. I would wear this thing to Target, grocery stores, everywhere. A couple more details about this dress. It does have the deep V neckline, which I actually think falls at a really nice place for me. It has a ruffle sleeve, and it also has the ruffle bottom, which you can see here. Extra bonus and super exciting, it comes with pockets. I'll be sure to list the Ankara fabric that I used for this. It's 100% cotton. This stuff sews up so nicely. I mean, cotton is just so nice to wear in summer. It's so nice to sew with. I mean, if you're a confident beginner and feel like you're ready to take on a V-neck with a facing, this is a good pattern to go for. I would recommend doing it in a linen or a cotton. You could go for something that's a little more lightweight. The options are endless. You know, I love this fabric so much that I actually got 6 yards of it. Well, I got 6 yards of both of these fabrics. And so after I made this dress, I still had a significant amount left over to play with. So I decided to just kind of like crank out a really quick little outfit for my kid too. So that way we can be matching for Easter. And I think he just looks really adorable in it. Let me just show you a quick little picture of him right here. That's my little buddy. He's been by my side. He was actually really excited to wear it. I mean, when he came over and said, "Mommy, you made me something? Thank you." And my heart broke. I wish he'd stay this sweet forever. I'm sure that won't happen though. Here's a couple more pictures of the dress. That way you can get a really good idea for how much volume this has, as well as the ruffles and those really great pockets. So that's my Allison tent dress that I made using Ankara fabric. If you like this dress, I'm sure that you're gonna absolutely love the Kaale Ali shirt that I made. So go ahead and click here and you can check out that video next. Well, thank you so much for hanging with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell so that way you know the next time that there's a new video. And until next time, I sincerely hope that you find joy and have a wonderful day.